Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Fiat 500. If you guys have a Fiat 500 and you need to actually remove or replace license plate, light bulb, or also known as tag light bulb, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that, a few tricks so you don't cause damage to it. Make sure to stand till the end, we'll explain how to do that, where you can buy cheap bulbs, replacement parts and all that stuff from. Before we start, let me explain a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here in the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Now if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So we'll be taking that Fiat 500 practically completely apart. We took another one apart as well, the non-Abarth version. So if you have any questions, you want to see any specific videos, don't hesitate guys to contact us, leave a comment below, and if we have time, we will try to make a video for your specific problem. So right here now, okay, right here when you open the trunk, check this thing out, you will have two license plate light bulbs, right? One here, one there. Those are LED guys, LED. So in order to replace them, okay, we need to get a small screwdriver. Okay, in order to replace those bulbs, those light assemblies, you will need to remove them. And how do you do that? As you can see, there is one hole right here on the side. That hole, there is one little bitty notch, okay, that we need to actually pry and remove. And we can get a plastic panel remover too as well, a pointy one. Or a very small screwdriver. I recommend using plastic too, so you don't cause damage to the trim, you don't cause damage to the light itself, because otherwise if you pry with a screwdriver sometimes you can damage it. In other instances you may need to remove the license plate if it doesn't come out, because as you can see, okay, it's actually guys right above the license plate. So what you need to do right here, there is one little bitty notch that you can pry to the inside. Okay, and pull it out now. Check it out. Let's see if it's going to come out, or we'll need to remove the license plate. In our case, we'll need to remove the license plate, okay, because it will not come out because of the frame. So we'll get, in our case, 8mm. We're going to go ahead, okay, remove these ones now. Okay, let's go ahead and see if that will be enough, okay, to get it out. That way the bottom ones are actually rested on our Fiat. So now I'll come this way. Check it out now. Let me get my hand here and pull it out. Okay, and this right here, okay, let's the license plate go, it's good. This is the light bulb right here. So in order, okay, we can let the license plate go. Let's just go ahead and hold the camera, okay, like that. So I can get a small screwdriver. Okay, let me see where, by the way, I left it now. Okay, we found it. And you need to gently, not too much because you can break them, spread those things to the outside. They do crack easily guys, super easily by the way. And you remove, okay, the license plate, tag light assembly out of there, just like that. That's how you guys do it. Putting it together practically is in reverse order that we took it apart. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.